Okay, so last week the channel reached 100 subscribers and I thought, why not make something nice for the occasion? So, for the first time in my life, I made a bust cake. And the result was this. Yep. Now let's dive right in and let me show you how to do it. Start by stacking your favorite cake with dark chocolate ganache. Then we are going to carve the body using the templates. Now, something that happened because it was the first time I was doing this, as I was doing the carving, I realized that the cake would never hold. So, I had to cut it in half and stabilize it. Now, we can finish the trimming properly. To make the head, I used the silicone mold. Cut and trim a round cake so that it fits inside the mold. Then, pour some skin-colored chocolate inside and let it sit. During that time, we are going to coat the upper part of the cake with the same skin-colored chocolate we used earlier. Let this chill for a few minutes, and then to remove the imperfections, I rub the chocolate with my hands until it becomes flat. When the chocolate inside the silicone mold has just started to harden, stick in the round cake and put it all in the fridge. And also guys, you will find in the description below the links to where you can watch the full tutorial of this cake, which is about 3 hours, and also where you can buy the Wonder Woman cake kit with all the templates and the silicone mold that I'm using in this video. Making the costume was quite simple, using the templates and very basic cake decorating techniques. Now, let's stick the head on top and start making the face. I printed on wafer paper 2 eyes which I'm going to stick with some water. Paint the lips and the eyebrows. We are going to add a necklace and the crown. Finally, we will finish with the hair. This is it guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, smash the subscribe button down there, and guys please, I really want to know where you're watching this video from. I'm shooting from Mauritius Island, so go down there, leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching this from. This is it for now, I will see you in the next video.